Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for email writing. First of all, open your browser, then type in your browser chat.openai.com. You will be redirected to this page. Now make sure you have an account and you're signed in. And if you don't have one, don't worry, you can simply just log in using your Gmail account. Now, we're gonna ask ChatGPT to write us an email for the subject of our choice. Like, I am gonna ask ChatGPT to write me an email to my boss for vacations. Write me an email to my boss for vacations. And it will provide you with everything, the subject, the starting, the body, and everything. Now, once that is done, you can now either use this email and just copy paste it and fill out these brackets like this boss's name, your name, and the last best regards and stuff. Or you can even ask for some more subjects like you don't like this subject, give me more subjects, more subjects for this email, and it'll give you around 10 to 8 uh, subjects for your email. Now you can use any of these subjects, just copy paste it, and you can good to go. You have gotten a well-written email. Well, that's how you can use ChatGPT for email writing. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it.